What's up, everybody? What's up, everyone? It's Afabula, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, as you can see in our title, oh no! Yes, like the... Okay, guys, I'm so sorry for my background today. I don't have much time to do such crazy things like backdrop, and I hate that, you know. I've been actually having like hectic schedules about like that whatsoever, but now I'm just gonna be flexing, guys, and how I actually did this. Yes, it's so beautiful, it's so lovely, and I just love it. It's a tutorial on how are you going to do it your own manicure and how are you going to put some nail extensions. So yes, so if you wanted to know how I actually did this nail thing, well, please keep on watching, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you'll be updated from all the videos I'll be going to upload. And I will be linking all my social media accounts in the description box and up here so that we will be connected at all times. So yes, guys, and of course, please leave a comment there down below and any suggestion for some tutorials or some vlogs, some upcoming videos, guys. I really need your help for some content today. So yes, like that, like just sound off below, guys, okay?
So, hi guys! So, of course, kinahanglan ninyo og fake nails, especially if need yun ninyo nga inani. So, na-order na ko na siya kay Juvie Elba, guys. So, I'm just gonna be tagging her or ibutang lang na ko ang link sa description box. So, this is a nail glue. So, set na ni siya, guys, nga fake nails plus nail glue. So, first step, guys, is mangita mong sukod sa iyong kuko. If you haven't watched my previous video, guys, about DIY manicure, so ilalink down ko na lang siya at isasuggest ko na lang siya sa babaw, guys, for you to be able to learn on how you are going to deal with your own manicure, especially now we are in all this pandemic. So yes, very helpful to siya, guys, so kindly check it out after this video. So after that, guys, pag na-finalize na niyo ang size, so it's time for the nail adhesive. So dapat careful lang, guys, kay grabe yun yung nail adhesive. Then impalayo siya medyo sa imong eyes kay isog jud kayo siya, very full of chemicals. So inani lang ang pagbutang, guys. Dapat siya ini mo spread equally sa tanan ni mga nails. So dikit-dikit ra siya. So after that, guys, so dapat i-press gini siya with all the pressure para mas grabe yung kapit sa nail adhesive. So dapat kusog yun yung pagka-press, guys. So after that, guys, isunod na lang pareha nga step. Now we're done, guys. So this is the final result. It's so beautiful and it's time for the other hand, guys. So very tricky na siya kay, especially sa mga tuon, tas dili kay siya hilig sa mga wala. So well, dapat careful yun mo, guys. So the same technique, spread ninyo maayo ang nail adhesive dayon with all the pressure para sure ang dikit. So tantaranan! So this is the final look, guys. So this is the result. I'm very happy and grateful as well. Kay as in, grabe yun ang transformation. Beyond expectation good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned something in this video. Well, please do not forget to subscribe for more videos to come.